An endowment policy is a type of insurance policy designed to pay lump sum amount either on maturity or on death. It provides financial protection to your loved ones. At the same time, it can be used to build corpus. Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal Plan. Will this endowment plan assist you financially? In this video, let us find out that. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal. It is a non-linked, non-participating endowment life insurance plan. Let us look into the features, benefits, advantages and disadvantages, and finally about the suitability of the plan. Features. The policyholder has multiple policy term and premium paying terms to choose from. Extended life cover, option to extend your life cover beyond your policy term. Guaranteed benefit in the form of income or lump sum amount. The income benefit can be increased at a predetermined percentage every year. Riders will enhance the life cover. Now let us look into the benefits we get under the Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal. First, we should know what is extended life cover period. The ELC means the life cover gets extended even after the policy maturity and it is equal to the premium paying term. Death benefit. Sum assured on death payable will be highest of the following. 10 times annualized premium, 105% of total premiums paid as of the date of death or sum assured. Under lump sum benefit option, if the policyholder passes away during the policy term or during the ELC period if chosen, the sum assured on death as of date of death shall be payable to the nominee. Under income benefit option, death during policy term or during ELC period if chosen, the nominee will receive the sum assured on death as on the date of death of the policyholder. If ELC is not chosen, then the remaining income benefit will be paid. The policy will terminate on payment of the last income benefit. Guaranteed maturity benefit. Under lump sum benefit option, once the policyholder pays off all the premiums, then the guaranteed maturity benefit shall be paid as a lump sum amount. It will be a percentage of the policyholder's sum assured. The guaranteed enhancer percentage depends on the premium paying term and policy term. Under income benefit, on the maturity date, if all the premiums are paid, guaranteed maturity benefit will be paid in yearly, half yearly, quarterly or monthly installment as chosen by you at the time of inception of the policy. Now let us move on to the advantages and disadvantages of Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal Plan. Advantages. The benefits are guaranteed and can be received as per convenience. Option to extend the life cover after the policy term. The income benefit can be step-up income year after year to meet the growing needs. Riders and loan facilities are also available. Disadvantages of Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal Plan. The lock-in period is 2 years for surrendering and loan facility. The investment return is comparatively low. To decide whether to buy this plan or not, the above information is not enough. So, now let's do a research analysis on the IRR of Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal by using Bajaj Allianz Life online calculator to see how it can benefit us. If suppose a 35-year-old male opts for a lump sum benefit option with the policy term 15 years, premium paying term 12 years, sum assured 15 lakhs and the annual premium would be 1.5 lakhs. The maturity benefit is 30.25 lakhs. Here the internal rate of return works out to be 5.43%, which is similar to any bank FD rate. Locking funds for a longer period at this rate is not advisable. The return on investment will be eaten away by inflation and won't be sufficient to meet any of your dreams. Since the potential rate of return is less in Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal, let us explore other options. The annual premium invested in Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal is 1.5 lakhs. If we invest the same amount in a pure term policy for life cover and the balance in any other equity or debt vehicle, then the capital appreciation would be better. A pure term for a life cover of 15 lakhs and for a period of 15 years, the annual premium would be 7,500. The balance amount of 1,42,500 can be invested either in a PPF account or ELSS fund based on your risk appetite and time horizon. All the metrics like premium paying term, annual cash outflow are assumed similar to Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal Plan. But consider taking a pure term with adequate life cover. Here the life cover is just rupees 15 lakhs. The IRR works out to be 6.47% for PPF and 9.73% post-tax return for ELSS. The maturity benefit is also a sizable amount to meet your life goals. This is definitely better than Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Gold Plan, and the returns are inflation beating one as well. To put in a nutshell, Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Gold Plan is an endowment life insurance policy with additional features such as regular income, extended life cover, and so on. But at the end of the day, the investor earns a very meager amount in terms of capital appreciation or regular income. The life cover is also not adequate. A Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal neither serves the purpose of life insurance coverage adequately nor serves as a good investment option for wealth accumulation. Alternatively, a pure term policy will protect your family when you are not around. It provides high coverage at the cost of an affordable premium. Investors should understand the importance of pure term insurance policy, which is hardly sold by any agents. Do not get trapped in any of the traditional life insurance policies because they neither provide adequate insurance cover nor good returns. A detailed review of Bajaj Allianz Life Guaranteed Income Goal is available as a blog post in our website, and the link for the same is available in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.